What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. I have here unboxing for you. I have the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. I'm going to unbox it for you, turn it on, let you know some things about it. Unboxing knife on deck. Let's do this. Now, this is my first Xiaomi phone. I got the global version. So this only works on GSM networks only. So please, I'm sorry, Sprint and Verizon users, it's not going to work for you guys. Let's see if I can get this. I'll try to do it all cool and neat, but boom. Now this one, front glass, has aluminum frame, has back plastic ends. This is really nice. This is 5.99 inches or 6 inches. This is really nice. Let's see what else is on the inside. Notice this. I think it might be a case. Nice smoke case. You got your books, Redmi 5. Got the international charging cable, but they did send me an adapter. Appreciate that. Boom. Appreciate that. I got this from GearBest. Let me see here. It's a 5-volt, 2-amp charger. So hopefully, I'll check the charging speeds on that. We get a mic. Is this a micro mini? Yeah. Wow, micro mini, man. Yeah. No USB Type C. Oh well. Can't get everything from a budget phone. On the inside, it has the pen, SIM ejector. You probably can't see that, but it's very thin. Don't really need it. Got hundreds of those. And that's pretty much it. Phone, charger, and a micro mini cable. Alright, let's get to the phone. This is a real nice phone. Nice. I got it in black. Fingerprint sensor on the back. It does have an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. It is a 6-inch phone. 1080, 18:9 aspect ratio, which works out to about 403 ppi pixels per inch. It is running Android 7.12 Nougat, I think. This has a Snapdragon 625 with an Adreno 506, micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. I do have the 64 gigabyte variant. I'm going to cut it on for you guys. On the right side, you got the power button, volume rocker right above it. Got the SIM ejector. .5mm headphone jack. And a IR blaster, which is really nice for a budget phone. That's really cool. This particular phone is running with the MIUI 9, which is a throwback to me, back to my rooting days. Anybody who, shout out to those who used to root back in the day. I used to have a HTC Evo, and I used to root 3 ROMs. My 3 favorite ROMs were CyanogenMod, Paranoid Android, and MIUI. So this is going to be pretty fun. It's going to bring back some memories of my old rooting days messing around with MIUI. It does have a Corning Gorilla Glass, but it's unspecified. I can, as of now, I don't know exactly what type of Gorilla Glass it is on there. If the screen looks kind of dull, it has some type of matted screen protector on there, which is taken away from the vibrancy of the color. I may keep it on there for a minute until I can get something, you know, substantial to protect it. The camera on the back is a 12 megapixel camera with a f2.2 aperture. It does have phase detection, autofocus, dual LED, dual tone flash. What else it has? All videos at 2160 at 30 frames and 1080p at 30 frames. And it has a front-facing secondary camera at 5 megapixels. It does shoot video at 1080p on the front-facing camera, and it does have a flash for those selfie pictures. Alright, let's do a quick comparison with a couple of phones right quick with this Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. It does also have a 4,000 milliamp battery, so I'm expecting this thing to be a beast. Alright, next to my S9 Plus. Take this case off. It's a little, the S9 Plus slightly thicker, surprisingly. About the same height. The Xiaomi is wider though. Much wider. I have a 8 Plus. The 8 Plus is wider, and in thickness it's pretty even. I would say visually the 8 Plus might be slightly thicker. Here's another budget phone, the Honor 7X. This is slightly taller than a 7. It is in width. I give the narrow nod to the Xiaomi being a tad unnoticeably wider unless you have both of them in your hands. And thickness, they're about the same in thickness. Other than that, that pretty much does it. I just wanted to let you know. I want to let you guys see the boot up. United States. I'm going to go ahead and load up everything on there, and I'm going to play around with this phone, and I'm going to give you my first impressions probably sometimes over the weekend. But I just wanted to unbox it, let you guys see it, give you some quick information on the phone. Other than that, that pretty much does it for this unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. If you have any questions, please leave that down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later. I'm out.